Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money for beginner because there is a lot of people who are beginner. They just struggling online to make even $1. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make even $100, $200 per week or per day. In order to make money online, you have to select the kind of strategies which you are going to make money online. Don't jump on different strategies daily because you will not make money because you are not sticking on the same point. Most of beginners just jump from one strategy to another strategy to another. Forex trading, affiliate program, they just jump on blogging, they just jump like it, but they don't make money, and that's why they surrender. But in today's video, I'm going to show you the best strategies which you can stick and make money as you a beginner. Best strategies to make money as a beginner is just creating a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is a very common method of making money online for beginner because this method requires only 1,000 subscribers and 4 hours of watch time, which is very simple and affordable within 1 month. You can get it within 2-3 months if you are serious and consistent. In order to make money on YouTube channel, make sure you select the niche, kind of niche you want to post about. For example, you want to base on how to make money online, you can start on how to make money online channel, and after being monetized, you'll be making a commission. Another method to make money online for beginner is just blogging. Just go to blogging and create a blogging. Just to go to Blogger as a beginner, just go to Blogger because I know you have no money to pay for WordPress hosting or domain. You can go to Blogger, you can get a free domain and a free hosting there. Go to Blogger and start creating a post on the Blogger. After time reach, or after you reach 40 post or 30 post, you can apply for AdSense monetization. Then AdSense will connect your account with AdSense. The ad will start to show on your blog, and in that point you start to make money. Another method to make money for beginner is an affiliate program. What is affiliate program? Affiliate program, this is a program where a person invites people to purchase other people's product. It means that you become a middleman between a customers and an online store. You invite people to buy product on the online store, so you get a commission to whatever product a customer purchases on the store. That is how affiliate program works. But there are a lot of different programs which pay a different commission. For example, there is the JVZoo affiliate program, Amazon affiliate program, and the ClickBank affiliate program. All these affiliate programs differ on payment commission. So just take your time to find what is the best for you and start promoting their product. This method, if you be consistent, it is good and require a lot of technique. I have put a video here which explaining how to promote a YouTube affiliate link on Facebook. Go and check it. Another method to make money online is just creating application. Creating application, this is a method where you go online and creating application, which is that application you put on Google Play and start to make money. I know you know that there is a lot of application in Google Play, and most of application contain advertisement within the application. This is the method we are going to talk about. Now I'm going to show you a website where you are going to create a application, and the website which are going to take ad or advertisement and put in your application and put it on Google Play. In this way, on Google Play, there is a lot of people who can download your application, and you start to make money because you are going to show the ad to people. That's how you are going to make application. In order to make money on your application, just go to the website which is called appcreator24.com. appcreator24. Light appcreator24.com. In this website, the website which you can create a application for free. And good enough in this website, you can come here and create application and link with the Google AdMob. Google AdMob is a part of advertisement of AdSense. which deals with the application, with the application. So now you can come on Google AdMob and sign up an account there and take codes and come to Applicate24 and put it on your application. It's very simple. After that, after putting a code, now take your application and go to Google Play Store and pay for account and press your application there. After time, most of people will see your application on Google Play and they will download more. As long as people download your application, the money will increase on earning, because as the people increase, more people watching your advertisement within application. Another method to make money online is just creating a Facebook group. Facebook group, this is the method, is very beginner friendly because you don't need any investment. What you need is just to go to your Facebook account and creating a brand new group. The group should be on the niche which have online product. For example, you can create a group on cosmetics, you can create a group on makeup, you can create a group on make money online. The niche which have a product online, which people are selling the product. So the main reason of creating the Facebook group which targets the people who sell their product online, we need the people to sponsor our group. Because at the time when our group is growing, the people will come to sell their product on our group, and in that way they will pay us for them to sell their product in our group. This is how we target. You can use this method and make a lot of money and a passive income, because when someone comes to pay to sell their product on your group, he will pay monthly. Per week, maybe weekend, next week. That is the passive income. It's endless money. And the group when it's still growing, and the money is the people is going to pay you for selling the product on your group. You can go now and create a group and start making money. This is the beginner friend method. Another method to make money online is just creating a Facebook page. You can go on the Facebook page and create a page, because right now Facebook pay like YouTube. You can go and create a Facebook page and start posting video, any kind of video you want, but the video should start from 3 minutes. You can go and create a Facebook page and start to post video, any kind of video there. After reaching the requirement of Facebook, the Facebook will place the advertisement on your page and you will start to earn a lot of money, like how YouTuber and others make. So if you want to make money as a beginner, go on Facebook and create a page today and start posting any kind of video you want, and in this way you will start to make money today. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. By doing so, thank you and salute for you.